to use a tester screwdriver. How to use the tester screwdriver can be said to be very simple and easy. With just a few steps, we can find out whether an electrical socket or power cord in question is electrified or not. The purpose of this test, of course, is to avoid electric shock that is dangerous to health and even death if our limbs are touched by a conductor with a very high electrical voltage. And here is how to use it. First, make sure that the condition of the tester screwdriver you are going to use is in good condition, clean and dry, and also make sure your body is dry. Take and hold the tester screwdriver correctly on the red part here, or insulator. Don't touch the metal or the metal tester. Place the tip of index finger on top of the tester screwdriver. The tip of the index finger must touch the metal part above the test pen. Attach the tip of test screwdriver, the bottom, which is usually in the form of a mini screwdriver, to the power source to be tested. Pay attention. Pay attention to the indicator light. If the indicator light is lit, the power cable or electrical conductor is being energized. There is voltage. If the inductor light is off, then the power cable or electrical conductor is not electrified. There is no voltage in the conductor. Here.